How to fix black screen or crash issues in Fire Kirin. First of all, if you are facing a black screen or the game crashes while playing Fire Kirin, don't worry, there are several easy fixes you can try. Start by closing the game completely and restarting your device. Sometimes a simple reboot can clear temporary glitches causing the problem. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection often leads to loading errors or crashes in the game. Make sure you have the latest version of Fire Kirin installed. Visit your Play Store and update the game if an update is available. Developers often release fixes to improve stability. If the issue continues, clear the app cache by going to your device settings, then Apps, find Fire Kirin, and tap on Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the crash. In case the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the Fire Kirin app. This will install a fresh copy and can resolve corrupted files. By following these steps, you can fix the black screen or crashing issues and enjoy smooth gameplay again. Now you know how to troubleshoot and fix black screen or crashes problem in Fire Kirin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.